Okay, this one came completely out of left field. It took me by surprise and I was like, whoa, what just happened? So I've been following this YouTuber and his name is Mone On The Beat for a while now, and he's just released his own AI tool. It's phenomenal. It's specifically designed for creating lip sync music videos. And I just can't believe that he's done it. It's amazing. It's like asking a chef to cook you a fantastic meal. And he walks into the kitchen and he builds the stove. So that's what Mone On The Beat has done. And he's created his own lip sync AI tool. It's called MONE Motion. So let's have a quick look at MONE Motion and let's put it to the test. So here's MONE Motion. He has 1.63 million viewers or 1.36 million followers. It seems very impressive. It's all about lip sync music videos, and he's got all his profiles on here. It just looks pretty impressive. And to me, that is a very massive pivot. So rather than just making lip sync videos, he's inviting the community to come and join him to make lip sync music videos. Wow. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the studio. Let's jump in the studio. And immediately you see the panels he has laid out for you to create lip sync music videos. Now the first panel is the video panel. You go and upload your video or your image into here. You can upload a character sheet. We'll talk about that in a second. Or you can go and generate your own image in here. And you can use Nano Banana Pro to create a 4K image. Next up is the audio panel, where you just upload your MP3, or you can even add a link from Suno. That's if you're using Suno. And then that's simple. So you've added your image, you've added the MP3, and then it says, as a great chef would say, cook it. And that's basically it. That's the gist of it. So let's put it to the test. Let's go and add our image. I'm looking at using Envy from my music video. This is what Envy looks like. She's a young sporting basketball player who is a talented singer and dancer. And then we're going to go and upload the audio. So the audio will be, I think it's down here. It's this chorus. So it's a 30-second chorus. And let's have a quick listen to Envy. Okay, so that's the music. So we've got the picture, we've got the audio. We're just going to scroll down to cook it. Now you have the options here with his lip sync option or B-roll option. So you can go and create cutaways, or you can create transitional shots, or you can just create environmental shots. It's totally up to you. So that's B-roll. With our lip sync, he has a default template already, which is Mone's own image to video tuned specifically for music videos. So up to 20 seconds is 165 credits, and then you can do a long form. But there is more. You can see that he's got more engines here, more AI tools for you to use. So you can use a long form, you can use a Seedance 2.0, which is quite expensive, but Seedance 2.0 is pretty on point. He's got Kling, he's got Kling 2.0, he's got Grok in there. So yeah, he's got quite a few options for you to go and create. We're just going to use the Mone lip sync. And then once that's done, you can go and select whether you want portrait, you want landscape, you want to be 720, 480. So I'm just going to click 480 just for the purpose of this video. And here is the prompt that he's already generated for you. So it is a preset template that he's giving you. So then you can go and just plug in your image and then plug in your audio and click cook it. So I just added a bonus prompt to that, which is the character sings with conviction and expressive passion. And then you scroll down even further and then it says generate lip sync video. It's going to cost you 82 cents. Let's generate the video. So while that's processing, let's have a quick look around the website. Here is the character sheet, where you can generate your own character, your own avatar. So just go and upload a photo, describe the look, what type of feel you want, and generate. I've already done that. And in my sheets, I've got Envy here. So this is Envy. It gives you quite a variety of facial expressions there. So she's got a surprised look, a cheeky look, a side view, a top view, a back view. It focuses on little details, which is the uniform and the number. It's quite a detailed character sheet. And then we're going to move into MONE Motion. Now this is interesting. So MONE Motion is a control video kit. So you get to record yourself in motion performing the actions that your avatar will perform. And then you can go and take your video, drop it into MONE Motion, and then it controls the output of your video. That's basically it. It's custom Mone Motion transfer pipeline. So you can go and add the motion video, add your character, pick a preset, and then click generate. That's pretty fantastic. Next up is the library. So the library of all the generations that I've done. So as you can see, I've been already playing around with it. There's my generations, there's my uploads. And then you've got a community that is online all the time that you can go and talk to. Maybe you can get some more tips and tricks from the community in regards to creating your own lip sync music video. All right, let's go back to the studio and see how we went with our generations. Is it done? Here it is. Here's our generation. We're just going to click it and see what happens. That's not bad at all. Apart from the lighting, the lip sync looks pretty close. Let's do it one more time. Okay, so that first word, invisible, looks like she's saying invincible. So let's try it one more time. So something's going on with the color grading. Something is going on with the color grading there, and I can see from the original picture there is tones of red around her face, which makes me think that there is a light that's shining on her face somewhere. And then as we scroll through the generations, you can see that light appear a lot more and becomes more obvious. So you can see the tinges on her hairline here. So I think the generator has picked up the lighting and recreated the lighting on her face. But overall, I think it's done a very good job in regards to recreating the facial structure and the movement of her face. And the body movement as well is, yeah, that's a whole nother level of generation, because most of the other generators don't add human movement into their generators. So let's get out of that. So that's Mone Motion. It's done an amazing job in creating a lip sync music video for us. I'm quite blown away by this. I'm going to say big congratulations to Mone On The Beat and Mone Motion for creating this AI tool. I'm going to play with it some more. If you like what you've seen today, if you found it helpful or educational, share the content, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. As we continue down the rabbit hole with AI Megavolt, my name is Lewis, and I'm confident I will see you in the next video. Ciao.